Okay, so truce?
Yeah.
No more?
Still heavy breathing from last night.
Okay, you still fucking up. Like every video I have, you're fucking making some fucking bodily fucking noise.
Where's that hole, fellas?
5 feet in front of you. We're at a minute.
What? Oh, right here.
5 foot to the side of me.
Emery, those you can put in your hand.
I'm gonna pick her up after I set her off. I'm just not dumb enough to hold it. Oh, I don't think there's enough shit here to hold her straight. Oh, and just called the devil's fucking fire?
Pretty much.
Oh no, Wild Heart.
Wild Heart.
Sounds like fucking Van Damme movie.
It's been a long procedure for lighting off fireworks.
Well, if I didn't get kicked in the fucking nuts.
I punched you in the nuts.
Well, it kind of felt like you kicked me with a sledgehammer.
Yeah, it's not funny, is it?
Well, it's funny when it happens to you.
I didn't think you would drop.
Oh, fuck. Normally it's not, you know, but Christ, that was dead on. It's like you fucking had...
What can I say? I'm good at nuts.
It's something we didn't all know, like you're saying.
All those squirrels taught me a trick.
It's kind of on a tilt. It's probably gonna fall over, but shit, son.
Like fuck.
Oh, trees on. Jesus fuck!
Get away from the boat!
Holy fuck! The bottom! Oh shit! The bottom just came in. Fuck!
Yeah! Quit running around with it.
Fucking yeah! Every time it goes crazy, fucking crazy.
Dropping out. Yeah. It was perfect. Hit the fucking boat. The set it there and let it. The first one set it off. I could move the whole firework out of the ground. Keep her up on the boat. Holy shit!
That was fucking awesome.
Fucking, if that had gone on the fucking boat, you know, we only have 2 cans of gas in there. That would have been good. Fucking swimming back to the fucking shore.
Holy fuck.
It fucking blew the bottom out too.
Well, because it's one of those ones that are supposed to be in the ground, so when I picked it up, it started fucking falling out like cartridges. So they'd fall out and then boom, fucking hit the boat.
That's awesome.
Good times.
Like rode the way you like
It's
dove
fucking
at
completely hollow except for one. The other ones are all still loaded because they were stuck in the ground.
That's funny.
Christ.
In the column.
Yeah.
You really?
Started to pass out. You want to try and get hit in the nuts though?